Well, hello. Today we're going to talk about my cheapest trip. My cheapest trip happened when I was heading back to Southeast Asia. I've been living in Hobart, Tasmania for 12 months, and I'd been in Vietnam before that, working as an English teacher. And I was saving money because I was going to have an extended stay in Southeast Asia. It ended up being my cheapest trip because I decided to travel across Java on a train because I saw that travel fellow with the colourful pants, catching a train with an old book. And so I thought, I'll do this. And it ended up being one of my most memorable trips. I was living on close to $10 a day, maybe less, $10, $15 a day, staying in homestays. I met a great guy on the ferry. He was my helpful friend. He helped me with apps and how to get the train and how to stay in homestays. Then I met Amina at Banyuwangi homestay, and she was amazing, absolutely amazing. And she took me on her scooter for nothing. She does tour guides and everything. She was such a kind person. And then I travelled across Java on the train once I figured out how. In Yogyakarta, I stayed for a week at a hostel to save money. I was in bamboo bunks. There was 6 in the room, all young people from Europe, just staying there for 1 or 2 nights. But during that time, I spoke to so many young people. I comforted one poor girl who lost her grandmother and was crying. Another girl had had a terrible experience at another hostel. I was a bit of a house mother. But they were so kind to me and they helped me, and that was a great trip. And the reason that stayed with me, not because I was saving money and skimping and saving, but because I met so many nice people as I was doing it. I made a deal to go to Borobudur only if I could get there for less than 25 Australian dollars, which is almost unheard of. I met someone who did that for me. It was a great trip. Thanks for watching, and cheers.